METATRADER4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use this on derived platform. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. This strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade. It can be used on indices like US 30, US 100 or US Tech and the likes. You can use this on cryptocurrency. You can use it to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doji, Litecoin, BTC Cash and the likes. You can use this to trade gold also. Do not forget that this particular strategy can be used to trade stocks. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory and see if there is news before you take any trade, because the news might affect your technical analysis, and it is important that you check Forex news. First thing to do in the morning before you start trading is to check Forex Factory or other news aggregators website, so that you will not trade against the news. And I will advise you that you stay away 30 minutes before the news or 30 minutes after from any pairs that has news at that particular time. Better still, you can stay away from that currency or pairs for the whole day and trade other alternatives. Now let's move on to today's strategies. I have combined a few indicators together for this forex trading strategy for MetaTrader4. And you do not need to use this all the tools in isolation. Make sure you analyze it together to give you accurate result. Mind you, make sure you follow money management, because no indicator or strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why you need to follow money management on a daily basis. Do not risk more than what you can lose, and do not be greedy. Make sure you follow your trading plan. Now let me show you how to use these indicators that I've combined together for this strategy. I have two indicators that are combined together here. We have the stochastic indicator and moving averages for this indicators window on this MetaTrader4. And on the second window also, I have other indicators too that are combined together for this particular strategy. Now, how do I use this particular indicator? One thing you need to note is this: all the indicators must be in agreement number one before you take any trade. Now let's analyze this particular US 30 together at the 20 zone 20 here. This is level 20 on the RSI. The only thing we will look out for is for buy, and at the upper zone, which is 80, the only thing we look out for is sell, because this is overbought region, and this zone is oversold region. This is overbought and this is oversold region. This is a sell signal here, and you look out for a buy signal from this particular point on this oversold zone. Now that we understand how to use the first two indicators in that single indicator window, now let's analyze it together. At this particular point, we have a cross here for a buy, and when you check the other indicators here, we have this bar here for a buy, and the last indicator here, this aqua color, do not cross up or did not cross above the red red line here. This is the aqua color here. once it crosses above the red, this is a buy signal. So at this particular point, we have all our confirmation for a buy, and the stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low, and you will ride the trend. And this particular signal did deliver on the 30-minute time frame. Now let's move back a bit and analyze other market or signal generated by this indicator. Now at this particular zone here, we have a sell signal generated here, and here we have the aqua color below the red color here for a buy, and the bar remain red also for a sell. And this is another good signal for this particular signal generated by these indicators that have combined together. And here is another buy signal here coming from the oversold zone. We have a cross at this particular point, and we have a cross here with the bar turning to blue. This is another good setup. Now let's check a bit also. Let's move back and check the history. Here's another buy signal here. We have a buy here and this do give us a good signal. We have a good signal here for buy, and your stop loss will just be 50 pips below the previous low, and this did deliver also. Here is another buy here at this particular point. So this is how to use this particular indicator, and let us check it on Great Britain pounds and the USD. On 1 hour, we have a buy signal here generated here, and we have this for a buy, and the sell signal here. We have a cross at this point coming from the oversold overbought region rather, and we have a confirmation here for a sell, and here is another sell signal from this zone at this particular point. Then we have confirmation here at this particular point, but the histogram did not change until this point for a sell, and this is where we have this particular setup. And here is where we have all the indicators in agreement at this particular zone for a sell, and this did deliver and give us a great pips. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Now let me show you what this particular strategy is made up of. The Forex tools that I combined together to come up with this winning strategy. I have the stochastic indicator, and these are the value. This is 40, the K period slowing is 7, and D period is 1. MA method is exponential and apply to close. This is what I use, and these are the levels. And the second indicator there is moving average 60, the yellow color. MA method is exponential and apply to previous indicators data. Just select it here, but in case you do not want to go through that stress, just check my video description. You are going to see a link to download both the indicator and the template, so that you have the same setup like mine, and your chart will look exactly like mine. And these are the other indicators, and these are the settings, so you can use my template. There's no need for you to set it up manually, and you can add any of the indicators to your existing winning forex trading strategy for MetaTrader4, or you can use this as I've explained here in this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. That is all I need from you. Remember, this particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. And make sure you check Forex Factory before you take any trade. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.